Airport. The term airport refers to a location where aircraft take off, land, and are serviced. It is a facility that provides various services related to air travel, including passenger terminals, runways, control towers, and maintenance areas. Airports are vital for transportation and play a crucial role in connecting different cities and countries. Here are a few examples of how the term airport is used. 1. I will be flying to New York tomorrow, so I need to get to the airport early. In this example, the speaker is referring to the specific location where flights depart and arrive. 2. The airport was bustling with travelers trying to catch their flights. This sentence highlights the busy atmosphere of an airport, with people rushing to catch their planes. 3. The airport authorities have announced new security measures to ensure passenger safety. Here, the term airport authorities refers to the governing body responsible for managing and operating the airport. 4. The airport has multiple runways to accommodate different types of aircraft. This sentence emphasizes the infrastructure of an airport, including the runways, which are essential for aircraft takeoffs and landings. 5. The airport offers a range of amenities, such as duty-free shops, restaurants, and lounges. This example showcases the various services and facilities available to passengers at an airport. In summary, an airport is a facility that serves as a hub for air travel, providing services for both passengers and aircraft. It is a crucial component of modern transportation, connecting people and places around the world.